Hey everyone! Today, I've got a pretty incredible story about endurance, the 2019 Toyota Tundra, and, well, an almost unbelievable mileage figure that's bound to raise some eyebrows. So buckle up because this is a tale of reliability that pushes the boundaries of what we expect from our vehicles. Now, when we talk about reliable trucks, Toyota often springs to mind. But what about a truck that has clocked nearly 879,000 miles? That's right, a staggering 878,987 miles to be exact, and this isn't just any truck, it's a 2019 Toyota Tundra. The owner of this beast shared their story on Reddit, complete with a dashboard snapshot to prove it. Seeing that kind of mileage on a vehicle less than 7 years old is nothing short of jaw-dropping. I mean, we're talking about driving an average of over 125,000 miles per year. So, what's the secret sauce here? Remarkably, it's nothing out of the ordinary. According to the owner, the Tundra has been through the ringer, but has required surprisingly little maintenance. We're talking about the original engine still going strong, the major repair, a new gearbox installed after about 500,000 miles. Other than a few wheel bearings here and there, that's it. Now, this isn't just a testament to the owner's diligent upkeep, it's a massive nod to Toyota's engineering. To have a vehicle perform so reliably, under what I can only assume involves some rigorous conditions, is a testament to the quality that Toyota builds into their trucks. But here's a thought. If a truck can last nearly 900,000 miles with minimal issues, what does that say about our expectations for vehicle longevity? Are we underestimating how long our cars can last with the right care and maintenance? This story is not just about a high-mileage truck, it's about challenging our perceptions, and maybe, just maybe, it's about setting a new standard for what we consider a vehicle's lifespan. So whether you're a Toyota fan, a truck lover, or just someone fascinated by high-mileage heroes, this 2019 Tundra's journey is one for the books. And it's still going. Who knows, maybe the next milestone is 1,000,000 miles. Now, wouldn't that be something to see? Thanks for tuning in, and remember, whether it's 100,000 miles or 900,000, the journey is all about how you maintain the ride. Keep those engines running smooth, and maybe I'll be talking about your car next. Until then, drive safe and stay curious.